This is Diet 2 of 2022 NCEE past question. So we are going to start with your sample D. And in sample D, what they did is this. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 times 3 is what? 12. So let's apply this in solving these questions that we have on the board. Now, in question number 10, what you will do here is 15 divided by 5 or 8 minus 5. It will give us what? 3, which is option B. We move to question number 11. What we are going to do here is what? 5 times 6. And 5 times 6 will give us 30. Option C. We move to question number 12. In number 12, what we are going to do is 18 plus 17. It will give us 35. Then, question number 13 is 18 minus 8 and a half. It will give us what? 9 and a half. Sample E. What they did here is 4 times 5, 20 plus 6, 26. 10 times 10, 100 plus 100, 200. 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over what? 3. Okay? Whatever it gives you, which is what? 1 over 2, when you add 1 to it, it will give you 1.5. So let's apply this in solving these questions that we have here, which is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 will give us what? 11. Option D. We move to question number 15. In 15, what we have here is 10. Now, 4 times 1 is 4. 10 minus 4, it will give us what? 6. Option D. We move to sample question number 16. In question 16, we will do 44 minus 20. It will give us what? 24. 24 divided by what? 4 over 5, which is the same thing as what? 24 multiplied by 5 all over what? All over 4. Now, 4 divide 4 is 1. 4 divide 24 will give us 6. Then 6 times 5 will give us what? 30. For last sample of this diet 2, we have what they did here is very simple. 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 times 9, 81. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. 4 times 4, 16. 1 over 8 plus 2 over 8 will give us 3 over 8. Now, 1 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 8 will give us 1 over what? 64. Let us apply this in solving this question number 17 to what? To 20, which is this part is unknown. So what we are going to do now is what? 2 times 2. It will give us 4. Now, question number 18. What we're going to do now is either we do it this way, 40 minus 10, or square root of what? 900, which is 30. We move to question number 19. What we are going to do here is what? 13 plus 4. It will give us 17. Then the last question under this diet 2 is what we are going to do to get this is what? 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5. It will give us 3 over 5. See you in diet 3. Bye-bye.